get started right on time. He also gives you that look like he might call it a strike.
Over at first, John Bacon at second, Laz Diaz, the crew chief, at third.
Northern California locations to serve your tool and equipment needs.
Well, on one pitch, Hassan Kim singles up the middle. So here's Tommy Edman. Runner goes. Bailey's throw. And it's just one hop, Adames.
That's 10 steals on the year now for Kim. He's not been thrown out. Question is, if Adames could have fielded the one hop, would they have had a chance to put the tag on? And it would have been close.
Throws. And this is to Dom Smith. And on the play, Kim goes to third. Giants play the infield in. And that is hit to the water. My goodness, gone. It's number 32 for Ohtani. And it's the first one he's ever hit off a Webb, and he got into that one.
Well, I mean, he likes that first pitch fastball. And then that is right in the happy zone, middle in, just above the thigh. And watch the fly of the ball on the splash cam.
Swing in a minute. Short curveball. Triples alley. High and deep and into the corner. And out of here. Look, you can't even see. There's a breaking ball. Nope. Very high. Swing! And then a mix. You got it.
If you're a pitcher like Logan Webb, keep him quiet. That's the goal.
Up the middle. Kim on the backhand. And that'll end the inning. So the Giants on the board.
On a guy expanding. Good take.
Hit out way towards Triples alley. And it's over the head. And Devers is going to score. Here comes Chapman. He's going to score. And the Giants take the lead. I thought he was going to catch it.
I did too. It goes with a fastball right on the inside corner above the belt. A great job of putting a barrel on this one. And Teoscar Hernandez just cannot get to it. And everybody scores.
Well, don't stop. Smith to left. Tagging his Lee. Conforto's going to throw. And it's going to be... got him.
From Will Smith. And this is going to be close.
San Francisco is telling me you have called home plate.
Jung-Hoo Lee thought he had it. He came up right away.
I don't know. I mean, there's a shot that they get it. As long as the tag wasn't made there.
Well, the best look was kind of blocked by the arm of Dominic Smith.
Yeah. To me, the difference of this is going to be what the
After review, the call stands. The runner is out. That loses salary.
And look who's on top. My partner. Congratulations, my friend.
Thanks.
Adames has got a jump throw and not in time. Kim takes a strike. Nothing in two. Got him.
Well, I like the ring him up call there by Brian Honora. This looks to me like it felt pretty good to him. Strike. Boom! Oh. Had a baby, Bry.
Dominic Smith. Here he lifts one into shallow center field. Coming in, and he'll make the running catch. Left center field. Lee on the move. Lee's got it at the wall. Whew. And that'll end the inning. It remains 3-2.
Do a whole lot with him.
High drive to left. Back is Conforto at the wall. Out of here. Might be a rare night, Mike, where the ball is carried.
Well, you just don't see that many balls go out to left field off the bat of left-handed hitters now.
And Bailey's got a base hit to right. Yes, takes it. Now here's Ramos. This is going to be caught by Hernandez.
Non-productive out.
Possible double play ball. That's one. No.
To turn it?
I don't. I mean, you're right by the bag. If you can shuffle it to him now, and you got the shortstop's momentum going towards where he's going to throw.
Yeah, the other thing too, I mean, he had to reach a long way to his left.
And he's facing Willie Adames, who's only so here's Adames, and he takes wide when ball in. Adames cracks one out into Triple's alley, and it's going to fall. Adames is off to the races. 2 runs are going to score. Adames has got a triple. Jung-Hoo Lee takes one. Jung-Hoo had a big hit in the 4th.
Little heat seeker coming right in tight. Little sniffer.
There's a strike. Big chopper to Freeman, and Jung-Hoo's going to beat it out. Banda twisted his ankle, I think.
And Jung-Hoo Lee put the afterburners on, and they don't call him the grandson of the wind for nothing. I mean, he was sniffing base hit. There's that little misstep, and that's all Jung-Hoo Lee needed. It had to be a flip, and there's no way that Freeman, who's very quick to the bag for a first baseman, could get there in time with that one.
So it's an RBI single.
Dodger-Giants series, first 15,000 fans to the ballpark will get a City Connect Spirit jersey. And that's the
It's a high fly ball, left field. Line drive, and it's going to fall, and it shoots by Jung-Hoo Lee. Betts is rounding second. He'll go to third, and Smith has got a double. Jung-Hoo Lee on the move, and it's off his glove. 2 runs are going to score. It's 8-4.
Boy, right center field tonight has seen some damage go out that way. Take a look at the power from Teoscar Hernandez. I mentioned how strong his hands were. Great example of it. Jung-Hoo Lee not going to be happy with that effort.
So here's Conforto. Conforto, I think, got this one. Gone. So the Dodgers have answered back with a 4 spot here in the 6th.
3-1 with an 0.69 ERA.
With a high fly ball. Yastrzemski calling and catching. And here's Hassan Kim. Kim is 1 for 2. Strike. 2-2. Just staying. Under his glove. So Tommy Edman will hit.
Take a look at the line drive to the backhand of Willie Adames. Goes down, and it kind of short hops him. And he just can't put it in the pocket.
Runner goes. Bailey's throw is short. Kim with his 2nd steal of the night.
And that's a big play. That's a momentum play. And a huge jump.
Pop up. Chapman, side retire. And here's Rodriguez to Ohtani. And it's low. Adames behind the bag, throws him out with the barrel of the bat. Goes hit well into left center field. Jung-Hoo Lee on the move, and it's over his head and off the wall. And Mookie Betts is now going to go for 3, and he's going to make it.
And he
up the middle, and a base hit. Bats, but he scored twice. This was hit towards the end of the bat, and it's an out. Wrapped it short. Mookie Betts. Here's Jung-Hoo Lee with 2 outs, nobody on. Who has come through with 3 RBIs in this game. There's part of the group. We see him every night here at the yard.
The hooligans. It just feels good to put that on. Yeah.
You are not a true hooligan. Foul at the plate, 2-2. Into center field. Is it going to die? It is.
Nice 2-strike, 2-out swing of the bat.
Take him any way you can.
Well, the Giants don't mind a little 2-out thunder. Take a look at the breaking ball he measured, sends it right back up the middle. It's a good job of using the middle of the field. See some nice approach from
Schmidt. He yanked it, but it's too high, and Mookie Betts is going to put it. And he's right back to Rogers. There's the strike to Baez. Slowed his second. And a grass cutter. A little pebble to make that thing jump up and hit you right in the forehead. I always like them a little, just a little bit of a bounce. Here's Kim. Kim lifts it to left. And this is going to sail away from Ramos.
nice opposite field hitting. Leaves it out over the plate and just puts it right down the left field line. No chance for Elliot Ramos.
And that'll end the inning.
This Dodger lineup.
And a strike. Adames behind the bag. 1 out. And a 1-out hit.
Again, watch him and pay attention to his base dealings.
Runner goes. And he's in there. Well, there's the walk. He's 1 for 4. On the ground to third. Chapman's 1. And to first. That's the ball game. Take game 1 of this three-game series. Another ball game.